In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add bot on Telegram. So let's get started. First open the app, then go here, click on these three horizontal lines, click contacts, tap on search, and now we're gonna search botfather. Botfather because this is the official bot for creating and managing other bots on Telegram. Choose this one. I'm gonna restart it because I already use it, but there will be like start a new conversation or continue. Okay, just write this new bot. We're gonna call it one click later bot, and we need to choose a username for our bot, so it will be one click later bot. Okay, continue, send it. Perfect. Okay, now we can click on our bot. We're gonna start conversation with him. Perfect. Now we are going to add the bot we created. So click on it. Click on profile picture. And here click add to group or channel. Select your group, choose your group. Okay. And what can this bot do? Change channel info. We can give him like all permissions. Okay, except this one. Click add bot as admin, and that's it. This is how can you add the bot you created to your group. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel so I can do more tutorials, subscribe the channel, and see you later. Have a nice day.